Heather with WTI.
Have you ever tried to enjoy a movie night or a game night, but instead your walls turn every sound into a chaotic echo chamber?
Hello, hello, hello.
Well, I fixed that. When we built this space, we added soundproofing inside the walls and inside the ceiling, but as it turns out, that wasn't quite enough for a theater. We still needed more sound absorption on the surface, and that's where these UMIACOUSTIC panels came in. No more echoes, no more weird reverb, just clean, crisp sound, exactly how it should be. And let's be real, these look incredible, like a high-end recording studio. The best part, I didn't even install them. My husband did. I just supervised with this drink in my hand.
Best thing about a theater is the final touches, because it means you're just about ready to enjoy it. UMIACOUSTIC sound panels. They make such a difference. Absolutely perfect that they come as a 2-pack, so they should suit your needs very, very well. And that's my point of view.